Hi, my name is Everton Moore, and I'm an installation and maintenance field manager at Verizon. Verizon is one of the largest telecommunication companies in the world with thousands of employees and locations. I, along with three other field managers, work together to supervise over 70 Fios technicians who install and repair Fios TV, internet, and phone services at homes and businesses. I have an associate degree and is presently enrolled at the School of Professional Studies to complete my bachelor's. One of the benefits of working at Verizon is that they will assist with your endeavors of continuing your education if you choose to do so. I also have over 25 years of managerial experience in the area of retail, real estate, and construction. So some of the skill sets needed for my position at Verizon are problem solving, multitasking, and interpersonal skills. I'm constantly interacting with employees and customers to remove roadblocks to make it possible for us to provide exceptional products and services. As a field manager, I'm classified as an essential worker, so I'm not able to work from home. It is crucial for me and my team to be out in the fields, making sure that everyone that is working and schooling from home has internet and phone services. To accomplish this, we operate in a safe manner. Safety first is always communicated at Verizon, but it carries a special meaning during these times. So, me and my team wear personal protective equipment, also referred to as PPE, to protect ourselves, the customers, and our families. The career advice I would give my high school self is to identify something you love to do. See if it has a place in the future, and always be prepared to learn and grow. See, the world is moving and changing rapidly, so you always have to move with it as well to make sure that you're prepared to capitalize on any opportunities that may come before you. One of the challenges that I faced during my career is happening right now during this pandemic. Emotions are running high, people are uncertain about the future, and we have to navigate through this while assisting our customers. The first thing that I did to overcome this is to stick with the facts. Using our PPE equipment and social distancing helps to minimize the risk of contracting the virus. I convey this message every opportunity I get with my team. I also empathize and show concern for each of my team members, making sure that they're being heard and that we are continuously working to keep them safe. Again, safety comes first. Finally, where do I see my industry in 5 to 10 years? I have to say I'm extremely excited about this transformational time. Everything we know today will be disrupted due to the implementation of 5G. As a result of the Internet of Things, everything will be interconnected. See, you'll be able to control your appliances from anywhere in the world. You'll be able to give back electricity to the grid from your electric cars. And our cars will be able to drive itself, all due to this disruptive technology called 5G. I'm super excited about it. So, thank you for giving me an opportunity to answer your questions. Continue to be safe and well, and take care.